lot of people think it's strange when I say when they have algae in their pool and it's nice and green, they should vacuum to waste. And the reason behind it is that algae will not get trapped in your filter. It's about under 2 microns usually, which is pretty small, and your sand filter will not be able to filter out anything that's that small. So you will have to vacuum it to waste. With this pool, I have my own offline pump, and you can tell that it's great. And within about, I'd say half an hour to an hour, you'll see a massive difference. You can already see it with the transition from what has been vacuumed right in that main spot right there versus what is not vacuumed. It saves you a lot of time. I understand that water will be coming out of your pool, but if you want it to be done one time, quick, easy, this is the best method. Vacuum it to waste. Gets it right out of your pool, and then hit it with some really strong shock, and your pool should clear up pretty quickly. Any other questions? You can always reach out to the Handy family based in Rochester, New York. Thank you.